Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll show you how to turn on all chats notifications in Telegram on your PC. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Telegram on your PC. Make sure you have the latest version installed. Step 2. Click on the hamburger menu located in the upper left corner of the screen. This will open the menu options. Step 3. Select Settings from the menu. This will take you to the Telegram settings page. Step 4. Click on Notifications and Sounds from the settings menu. This is where you can customize your notification preferences. Step 5. Scroll down until you find Notifications for Chats. It should be located towards the bottom of the page. Step 6. Finally, click on the toggle switch next to Private Chats to turn it on. The toggle switch should turn blue, indicating that all chats notifications are now enabled on your PC. And there you have it. You have successfully turned on all chats notifications in Telegram on your PC. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you found it helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tricks. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Until next time, happy messaging.